Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
All right, getting ready to welcome in the weekend, or at least Friday, which is close enough to the weekend. We'll call it that. And here's what we've got outside right now. A very weak and dying cold front trying to bring some actual showers. It's basically just bringing some sprinkles across some of the western side of the valley here. Around Brownsville, we're getting reports on the ground of a little bit of light sprinkle activity near the festival site. Corvallis, same thing as you go across the I-5 towards Sweet Home. Likely see that in your neck of the woods, Walterville as well, downtown Eugene here across Springfield. Marcola will see some of those light sprinkles move through, but you can see it's a real thin layer, and back and behind that, nada, nothing going on. And so as this front continues to slide across the region tonight, it'll keep the clouds around. That's about all we've got. We're still looking at a bit of a southwesterly flow from the jet stream. Jet stream moving way up over in towards central Canada. That's where the real hot stuff is. Boise at about 100 degrees today. It was 100 over towards Ontario and Rome. But we're getting a bit of an influence of some cooler air. And that's actually going to chop our temperatures back just a couple of degrees as we get ready to go into the weekend. Now, those southerly winds will also be important for the thunderstorm potential tomorrow in the forecast for the Cascades. I'll get into that in a second, but first, if you're rolling into town for the Bi-Mart Willamette Country Music Festival, it should be a decent forecast. The morning clouds should give way. If we clear tomorrow, that 84 might get closer to 86 and 87, but I'm going to keep us at 84 for now. A little more cloud cover as we head towards Saturday's forecast, and then Sunday's looking absolutely picture perfect. Overnight lows will likely sit in the mid-50s as well, starting with tonight in the upper 50s. Across the state today, 90s in Redmond and Bend. We were at 83 in Eugene, 88 in Roseburg, 99 in Ontario. Hit the century mark down in Rome, and around 89 in Klamath Falls. Right now, with the clouds and a few sprinkles trying to move across the I-5 here, we've got temperatures in the mid to upper 70s, still low 80s in Roseburg, low 60s at the coast, and then warmer as you get up into the mountains in the mid to upper 60s and around 81 in Bend. So here's what I'm watching for tonight and tomorrow too. We've got a little area of circulation trying to develop. It's basically a little kink that may try to give a little bit of push to the bottom end of this front as it slides through. If it does, could possibly squeeze off another round of showers early tomorrow, but I think for the most part we'll see those hold off until the afternoon in the mountains. The low that's driving all of this is way to the north and west, and so it's pretty much detached from everything that we're dealing with here. And you can see our precision cast is not very bullish on any of the rain. Picks up the afternoon thunderstorms across the mountains tomorrow, but then as we get towards Saturday, some light drizzle at times along the north coast, and some morning clouds and some afternoon sun. So that's about all we're looking at for the weekend. So for tomorrow, for the coast, we'll go mid-60s in Newport, upper 60s to close to 70. Tomorrow on the south coast, and then everybody cooling off just a hair, whisker or two down into the mid-60s, and then back into the low 70s, and sunny days are ahead Monday all the way in through about next Wednesday or Thursday. In the Umpqua Basin, we'll go mid to upper 80s tomorrow, a bit cooler with some more pervasive cloud cover Saturday. Then it's quickly back up to the low 90s by Monday, and the smoky, hazy skies will be back. Isolated thunderstorms to the Cascades. This will be late tomorrow afternoon as they start to fire. Same thing in Bend and Redmond. Could see a couple of strong ones we'll keep our eye on. Should be a little less coverage on Saturday, and then Sunday into next week. High pressure and hot, dry weather's back. And we'll go mostly sunny for the afternoon after the morning clouds break up. Should hold us around 84. And then a little cooler as the clouds will stick around for some of the day on Saturday. And then quickly back into the mid to upper 80s by next weekend.
Wow, yeah, Monday and Tuesday.
It's going to be warm.
All right, thanks, Justin.
You bet.